This is a fire alarm horn strobe. So now fire alarm horn strobe should be mounted anywhere between 80 and 96 inches off the finished floor to say AFF, above finished floor. So 80 inches to 96 inches, and that's centered to the light. So 80 inches or 96 inches centered to the light. So if you have a single gang junction box that's 2 inches, you will want to mount that junction box 80 inches to the center of the junction box. So when you mount this on top and I bring my measuring tape, 80 inches should be right here. So you have between 80 and 96. Now, if you don't have 80 inches, what you will want to do is that if the ceiling is less than 80 inches, you want to give yourself 6 inches from the top of the ceiling. So let's say if the ceiling is 85 inches, so then you would want to put the horn strobe at 79 inches or something like that. But you would need some type of distance from the horn strobe, the top of the horn strobe, to the top of the ceiling. But generally 80 to 96 inches above finished floor. Okay, so how you hook these up? Respect the polarity. Always got to respect the polarity. There's negative and then there's positive. I don't know why black is negative, but black is negative. Red is positive, black is negative. Now, how this circuit works, the circuit is actually in reverse when it's normal. So the plus is actually on a negative and the negative is actually on a plus. And when the system goes into alarm, the polarity reverses. So that way the horns can activate and the strobes can flash. So now they have over here the candelas. So let's take this cover off, and there's like a little tab here. You can pull the cover off, and then we have over here the candela rating. You can adjust the candela rating with this tab here, up and down. What the candela rating is the intensity of the flash. Normal is usually 75 candela, but you could have it down to 15 if you need something a little lighter, maybe 30 if you want to bump it up a little more. But the standard is usually 75 candela, and that's the intensity of how the flash will flash. The candela is for people who cannot hear. So when this pulse, you could actually feel the pulse. You could feel the pulsating. When the horns is going off, a person who's deaf can't hear the horn. However, if the strobes is flashing, they could feel this pulse. So if ever you're in a situation when there's a false alarm, just try to remain calm and see if you can feel the pulse of the flash of the nearest strobe that's by you. So a person who is blind will be able to hear the horn strobe, and a person who's deaf will be able to feel the strobe flashing when the candela pulse every second. All right, so that's what a horn strobe is. And they also have strobe onlys, and the strobe onlys will be installed in bathrooms, conference rooms, and in some halls if there's enough horn strobes or horns covering that whole hall. So this has been a video about fire alarm horn strobes. I hope you learned something today. Like, comment, share, follow for more.